The juice that comes out of a fruit depends on the fruit. What's within you will come out when life squeezes you. Which means that internal having is as important as external having. And two essential changes that has to come to that internal having is, one, you got to love yourself. You will not be able to celebrate any relationship in life. You will not be able to cherish any relationship in life. You will not be able to enjoy any relationship in life unless you begin to love yourself. Do not define yourself by how you look, color of your skin, your height, your weight, your size, your length of hair, sharpness of nose, color of your eyes. This is not you. That is just the surface of you. You are far, far more than that. You are much, much more than that. Once you start doing something worthwhile in life, to nobody in the world it matters how you look. Suppose between now and next mastermind, I shave off my beard and cut my hair and continue to come to take the mastermind. You think one person less will come to the mastermind? To them it doesn't matter what I wear, how I look. What I do only matters. Once you start living, have you ever thought about whether Mother Teresa is beautiful or not? Each one of you would say she is beautiful. Based on her physical looks, it doesn't matter to you how she looks. Your grandmother is beautiful. I don't think I've ever heard from anybody in the world till today, my grandmother is not beautiful. Now, is it based on looks? Your grandmother is beautiful because she is a beautiful person. Not based on how she looks. Even today, don't you admire when your grandfather speaks to you without all that? Don't you enjoy? Why? His looks do not matter to you. Then why at 17 and 18 and 21 and 22 and 14, you define yourself by your looks? It's a fading phenomenon. You look like a princess one day and it'll all turn grey another day. You'll have a flawless skin one day and it'll all turn into wrinkles another day. You can have a complexion which radiates through your skin one day, and another day it is gone. It is not how the bottle looks from outside. It's how the bottle looks from inside that really matters. Just because all the perfume bottle looks very sexy, can you drink what is inside it? You cannot, no? And just because your, what is that bottles you buy where you store water? Huh? Tupperware. Now it doesn't matter how it looks. Because it's clean inside, you'll still drink the contents. The bottle has to be clean from inside. And one of the ways by which the bottle has to be clean from inside is, you got to start loving yourself. And two, you got to be happy with yourself. Rather than thinking you can make everybody happy in the world. And rather than thinking that everybody can be happy in the world, at least try on one thing. Be happy with yourself and contribute one more happy person to this world. And remove one more happy person in the world. And once you become happy with yourself, in your presence, lot more people will be happy than now. And because you're a happy person, lot more people will be happy with you than they are right now. Self-love and self-happiness is the first step in the journey of life. Am I happy with myself? Am I able to love myself? These are the first steps in the journey of life. Learn to love yourself. Be happy with yourself. And see that the world will be enjoying you a lot more than it is doing right now. And you will be able to enjoy yourself a lot more than you're doing it right now.